How can service design and blockchain work together to create new collaborative and sustainable services for Milan? This is what Capgemini and Doing addressed during a 3-week workshop with the international students from the Service Design Master of POLI.design. 4 projects emerged for their strategic applications of blockchain and the social themes faced. Enable a matching and verification system among tenants, owners and revenue agencies to facilitate the process of renting houses. Provide certifications and digital tools to trace food in order to encourage sustainable community purchases. Build a digital skill set curricula and enable a municipal reward system in exchange of micro-volunteering activities for students, universities and companies. Validate, trace and verify official documentation to support citizens in the management and comprehension of bureaucratic processes. We challenge students with applying an end-to-end design process by using the service design methodology and tools to create and prototype new solutions and test whether they are applicable to different industries. The whole process was led by Doing strategy and service design team and supported by blockchain experts, business consultants and innovation strategists from both Capgemini and external. Can't wait to help speeding sustainability and address more social opportunities through cutting-edge technology.